really, when it gives this type of question, I do not choose the x-axis, the y-axis. I do not mention here that +1, +2, +3, and so on. Then so that you can simplify the question, just I write these needed values. Then here this coordinate is given as 0, 4. And also the question is, and also it has given the value of m of this linear graph, that's 4, right? This is the linear graph AB, right? This is the linear graph AB. This means the value of m here is 4. M means, that gradient. C is intercept. M means gradient. C means, intercept. Then what's the question really? The question is, you being given the value of m and the value of c here, really how do you get the value of c here? When it comes to this type of question, this is the origin. The common form of a linear graph is y equals to mx plus v. The common form of a linear graph is y equals to mx plus v. The common form of a linear graph is y equals to mx plus v. Really, what is m here? M is the gradient. It has given that m equals 4. The question that, and also to be written this equation, the equation, in order to write the equation of AB, we have to get the values of m and c. So m has given that 4. What's the value of c here? Really, c is this value. C is the distance along the y-axis to the linear graph from the origin, right? The distance from the origin along the y-axis to the linear graph is c, which means, no need of mentioning all those things, right? Really c is this one, right? C is 4, right? When it comes to this type of question, I will come to this point here. When it comes to this type of one, then what is the value of c here? C. C means the distance from here to here distance. If this is 0 minus 4, the value of c here is minus 4. Okay, so distance from here to here. Don't forget what this is taken along the y-axis. So this one. So we know the value of m here. M has given that 4. Then we could substitute here. The question is find the equation of this linear graph AB. M equals 4. And also c equals to 4. The linear graph of this equation is y equals 4x plus 4. And the other question, given question here is, another linear graph is needs to be taken that is parallel to the given linear graph AB. It talks about another linear graph. That linear graph is parallel to the given linear graph AB. And also it goes through 0, 4. Here 0 minus 4. This is the other linear graph. I will name this one as PQ. What is our question is, we need to find the linear graph PQ, really. Linear graph PQ. This is the points that you need to know here. This is the point that you need to learn here, really. When these lines are parallel, then what happens? Then when these lines are parallel, it says that these lines are parallel. The line AB and the line PQ are parallel. Then what happens really? You being showed this theory really. Unless you can remember right now, you learn it, right? So remember, you need to remember it. Then the value of AB of the value of m of AB is 4. So when these lines are parallel, really what happens here of the line, the value of m also, the value of PQ also, the value of m of PQ also becomes that taken as 4. If these lines are parallel, then here the value of m is 4. Then here also these lines are parallel. Don't forget it. Here also it takes the value of m as 4. So then the value of m of PQ is 4. Previously I taught you that c equals to minus 4 here. Distance from here to here, which is minus 4. Right now we could write the equation of the linear graph of PQ. Okay, yeah, PQ. So we know the value of m, that m equals to minus 4, m equals to 4, m equals to 4, c equals to minus 4. Right now we could write the equation of PQ. Y equals mx plus v. This is a common form of linear graphs. So value of m, this value, m here 4, then that is written here, c is minus 4, minus 4. So the answer is y equals 4x minus 4. Okay, I will be doing more questions of graphs in the near future as well. If you got an issue, just mention it in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are a newcomer to the channel. so that you can get more videos in the future. Okay, thanks.